Settle comfortably and close your eyes.
Today is a new day and a fresh start.
You have the power to shape your day with your thoughts, words, and actions. Always remember that a positive mindset leads to positive thinking about what you are grateful for. I am worthy of love and respect, and I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Repeat with me, and always remind yourself, I am worthy. Now, take a deep breath and find inner peace. Success is not a destination, it is a journey. Trust in your abilities and take action towards your goals. Make an action plan and work towards success. I am worthy. So, enjoy each step of the way while learning and growing. Remember always, how you start your day sets the tone for the rest of the day. So set the tone positively, with gratitude, and watch the magic happen. Embrace the challenges, and allow the universe to guide you. You are meant to succeed. Repeat those affirmations every day, in the morning. And see how this gonna affect your mood and change your day for the best. Subscribe for more energy. Leave a comment about your experience in comments. And if you have any question, put in the comment section. Our team will answer you.